What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Cheap Tool Reviews, the channel that reviews the cheapest tools from eBay, Amazon, AliExpress, Wish, you name it, and we'll review it, guys. And of course, if you're new to the channel, don't forget, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you know when we upload new videos. And guys, like always, I always want to say thank you to all the subscribers that we have, all the subscribers we keep on getting. If it wasn't for you guys, we wouldn't be doing these videos. So we do plan on doing something for you guys at 500 subscribers, and at 1,000 subscribers, we're going to be doing a giveaway. We don't know exactly what we're going to give away yet, but we do have something in mind. But once we get to that, then we'll talk about that a little bit more. And another thing that I want to discuss, guys, we'd like to make more than just once a week videos if we could, but it gets expensive buying these cheap tools, guys, believe it or not. So, you know, there's been a couple times that people have commented, you know, for donations and whatnot. Let me know if you guys want me to set up something that you guys can donate on, maybe like Zelle or PayPal or something that you guys would feel safe donating. Anything you guys donate will be strictly for the channel, only to fund more tools and, you know, continue the reviews going. But so that's one of the main things. But of course, guys, 500 subscriber and 1,000 subscriber giveaway, and that's one of our big things, guys. So let's go ahead and get started with this review. This is something that, you know, a lot of people actually requested, and it's finally here, guys. So let me go ahead and open this up. Packaging is not the best, but I mean, I guess they got to do what they got to do if it's cheap, you know. We got the cheapest gas-powered chainsaw we can find on the internet, guys. We couldn't find anything cheaper than this. This was $84 or $83 shipped to my house, guys. I mean, the online price was $8, but taxes, of course, that's gonna change for where you live. But listing price was 80 bucks, guys. And, you know, hopefully it's as good as, you know, they make it seem on the description. But we're gonna find out. It has some decent weight, nothing crazy that's going to be like, oh my gosh, this is, you know, deal of a lifetime. But let's go ahead and open this thing up, guys. Had to get a new knife because the other knife wasn't so sharp anymore. Okay, seems like everything's just kind of bunched in there for it to fit. So let's go ahead and, this is a 20-inch chainsaw, guys. 20-inch, 52 cc's if I'm not mistaken. It is a 2-cycle, so we're gonna have to mix a little bit of oil in the gas, not 4-cycle. Oh, nice little fuel carrying case. We got the toolkit. Clearly I was gonna open it up until it said toolkit, but I'll open it up anyways for you guys. It seems to have some string and some tools, honestly. Spark plug and 2 bolts, who knows what those are for. We got the actual, I think this is called a bar, the actual bar itself. This is pretty heavy. No branding on it of any kind. Oh, a glove. Another glove. Some goggles, safety goggles. It can never be too safe, especially with the cheap tools, because we don't know what's gonna happen. And the main part itself right here. Chainsaw. Gasoline chainsaw, 52 cc, 2-stroke. So nothing crazy. I mean, it a lot of plastic, you know, make it look better than what it is. We got the choke, the start stop right here, and the actual pull cord. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Oh, can't forget the actual chain itself. And, oh, the instructions. So I know normally, guys, we don't read the instructions, but this time we're gonna have to read the instructions, put this whole thing together. But, you know, we're gonna test it out and see if it's even worth buying for 80 bucks. I mean, I figured for 80 bucks, it's worth it, you know, depending on, of course, what you're gonna be doing. If you're gonna be out here trying to start a business with this, it might not work, but, you know, we're gonna see, and we're gonna go cut up some wood outside, put this whole thing together. I'm gonna try and start it off camera, guys, because I don't know how easy this is gonna start, but if it starts easy, it'll be on camera. We'll record it anyways and let you know how long it took. But, you know, the overall construction is not that heavy. Like I said, it's a lot of plastic. Look, plastic. All this is plastic. And, you know, we're gonna get some wood and try and chop some stuff up. I wish I had a tree that I can actually go cut down, but you know, this is proof that we do these reviews strictly for you guys. I don't even have a tree I can cut down, but we're gonna get some, you know, a trunk of wood and we're gonna cut it and see what it can do, guys. So let's go and go outside. All right, guys, so I apologize for the audio. I don't have the microphone on me because this is gonna be, clearly it's gonna be too loud. So first thing we're gonna run into, the gloves. Look at this. I don't know, I mean, maybe they think kids are gonna use the chainsaw because these are way too small for I would assume adults to use. Second, the chain adjustment is in the weirdest spot, which is this right here. I mean, maybe if it was in another spot where you could tighten the chain, it took a little bit of time to get it tightened up decent where it's still able to spin. So the thing is, like, when you tighten this, then you tighten these two here, it tightens it too tight, and then you got to go back, readjust. So it took me a little bit of time. The next thing, the fuel. You have to make sure this cap is on there tight, because I put it on there, you know, relatively tight, and it started leaking. So they just give it a couple more turns and it worked. So we're going to try to start this. Never even try to start it, guys. This is going to be the first time we start it. We're going to pull it, I don't know, is it the choke in or out? I don't know, but let's find out. Oh, wait. Is it forward, the brake? I don't remember. Almost there. All right, so I cut that pretty easy, more because the tree is, look at this, it's all it was ready to go down anyways. But I know a lot of times it's gonna have to do with how good the chain is and how sharp it is. But I mean, we're gonna go look for a piece of bark that I can cut, something solid, guys. I apologize for the dog barking, that's the neighbor's dog. But we're gonna cut this tree here. It's not rotten or anything, it's like put my weight on it, so we're gonna cut this. I mean, that was a pretty fun test, but let's go ahead and get started with this one here. Wow, I would say this thing is worth it, honestly. I mean, it's not bad. So we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up, guys. We're gonna go inside and let you guys know about what I think about the tool, and you know, let you guys know if you guys think it's worth it and whatnot, guys. So let's go inside. Okay, so we're back inside from doing the test. For 80 bucks, guys, it's definitely worth it. Just for the small test that I did, I personally would probably tell somebody about this $80 chainsaw. Say, you know, it's worth buying for 80 bucks if you don't want to pay somebody to go to your house, cut whatever trees down that you have, or vice versa. I mean, this is the way to go, honestly. It's not bad. The chain, of course, you're gonna have to get it sharpened after, you know, depending on how long you've been using it. But it also comes with this file, so if you want to sharpen it yourself, I don't know if you can see that on there, you could. But I personally would just take it to get sharpened or buy another chain if you chose to. Came with these two Allen wrenches. This bigger one is the one that I mainly used. I haven't figured out what the smaller one is for yet. Came with this rope. No idea what the rope is for. I mean, if anybody knows, let us know in the comments, guys. Came with an extra spark plug as well. So I thought I was gonna install this one. I took this whole thing apart, thinking I had to put it in there. There was already one in there, thankfully. This tool here is basically all you're gonna need to work on this. This one here is to tighten the chain, which is right over here where I showed you guys, right in there. I mean, you can see here it's leaking a little bit of the oil, but I mean, that's normal because it has to lubricate the chain. With the funnel, came with the funnel, so that was a nice little addition. And your own carrying case for your fuel. So if you're taking it out with you out back, I don't know how much fuel you use using this, but I mean, at least they threw it in there. Your goggles and your toddler gloves, because clearly these don't fit. And also the instruction manuals. As you guys know, most of the times the tools that we buy don't even come with instructions, and when they do, it has nothing to do with the actual tool. So I mean, this is actually for a chainsaw, but it's not for this chainsaw because the diagrams on here weren't matching up to what this was when I was putting it together. I mean, if you can figure it out yourself, it's cool. If not, I mean, if you need directions, then I mean, probably look up YouTube or something. I mean, I figured it out without having to, you know, struggle too hard trying to figure out how to put this thing together. But other than that, guys, it's definitely worth it, guys. I'm going to put a link in the description for this tool. Let me know what you guys think. And again, the price is when I purchased it. Not sure if the price changes after, you know, maybe I promote them a little bit, but they don't send me any free stuff. But like I said, guys, don't forget, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. And also, before I forget, to join into the giveaway, all you need to do is like, comment, share this video with anybody that you know, and let me know in the comments once you've done that, guys, and that'll enter you for the giveaway, guys. Thank you so much. See you guys next week.